Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan and today we are going to start with another lesson of adjectives in Spanish. So in this class we are going to see many examples and I'm going to solve it for you. So the first example I have taken is of mistake, that is from the movie X-Men. So the first we are going to translate this. The name of the blue girl is Mistake. So the word for name in Spanish is nombre, and for blue it's Azul. The girl is Chica and the name we are going to write it like that. So let's look at the word by word translation for nombre. So it's a masculine noun. So we are going to use el nombre, Nombre, nombre. The name of the blue girl. For the blue girl, we are going to again do crisscross, la, because we are talking about a girl. Girl is Chica, and for blue we are going to use Azul. For is we will write S, Mystic. So this is now we have another sentence. This is a beautiful blue girl. So although she is not at all beautiful, but we have to write this because we want to learn. So here I have taken beautiful, blue and girl. This is just to confuse you because I have beautiful also, blue also and girl also. So first of all, what you are going to do again, this you are talking about a girl, so you are going to use esta. For is you will write S. For a you will write una. For beautiful you will write linda. And for blue girl again you are going to crisscross. That is, first you will write Chica, and for blue you will write Azul. So now I'm going to discuss the two words, that is safe and dangerous. So the word for safe in Spanish is seguro. So we generally say a sentence like be sure that you are safe. So from sure you can easily remember seguro or segura. For male you will use seguro and for female you will use segura. For dangerous there is one word, like you can relate this word with peril. In English we have one word, peril. So the word in Spanish that is very much similar, and for dangerous it is perilous, peligroso. So here we have a sentence, the brown mouse is very slow. So we know the word for slow is lento, that is from late. And for mouse, the word is raton. You can remember this word with rat, like rat is raton. And for brown, we have the word maroon, like brown and maroon, that they are similar. So we are going to look at the translation. For the, we are going to write L, and again here we have crisscross, raton, el raton, maroon, S, very. For very we will write muy, lento. For slow we will write lento. So now here I have another example. The blue sky cat. No, here should be the sky blue cat is not beautiful. For sky blue we have the word celesto as from celestial, and the cat. So we are going to crisscross here. So for L we are going to write L because we are talking about the cat. El gato. For sky blue we are going to write celesto. S, no S. We have to negate that. No S. For beautiful we will write lindo. 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 The grey cat is ugly and weak. For ugly we have the word feo from fairy and weak, debil from delicate. El gato. Grey is gris. 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 S, feo, y debil. So now here we have the pirate ship is dangerous. So the word El barco, barco. Di pirate, pirate, pirate. Es peligroso. The word for dangerous is peligroso. Peligroso. So you might see, so you can see that here instead of pirate ship, I have not translated it into adjective, because I am going to explain you later on that why this is happening. So now here we have another example. The naval ship is safe. El safe is seguro, and for ship we are going to add barco, B A R C O, barco. Navy is naval like naval force, naval. S seguro, seguro. So here we have another example. The White House is for president and it is very safe. So again, for safe we have seguro. For the word president we have presidente, and for house we have casa. La Casa Blanca you might have heard if you might be familiar with a little bit of Spanish. So here I've taken the example. So the casa, C-A-S-A. So it is ending in A. So we are going to use the article la for White House. We are going to crisscross. Casa. White is blanca, blanco, blanca. S for is para. Presidente. And here we have, and it is very safe. E for it is, we are going to write S. For very is muy. For safe it is seguro. So here we have the sniper rifle is dangerous. So for rifle we have two words, like we can use arma, like arms, arma, or fusil. So I am going to use, for the sake of simplicity and for your better understanding, I am going to use arma. El arma, Christmas. Sniper. S for dangerous we are going to write peligroso. The big boy is fat and ugly. The sexy girl is thin and beautiful. So the word for fat is gordo, and ugly is feo. And the word for sexy is sexy. Thin is delgado. So we are going to look at the translation. The big boy is fat and ugly. So for the we are going to write L. The big boy. For big boy again we are going to crisscross. Chico. For big we are going to write grande. 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 For is we are going to write S. For fat we are going to write gordo. For and we will write E. For ugly we will write feo. And but is pero. El chico grande es gordo y feo, pero we are talking about a girl, so we have to write the feminine the. La chica, crisscross. I-C-A, chica, sexy. For is we will write S. The chica sexy es delgado. For thin we have the word delgado. For and we will write E. For beautiful we will write hermosa or linda. Let's take linda. 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 Ending in A. Delgada. This should be delgada. S delgada y linda. Because Angelina Jolie is a fighter woman. So for fighter we have two words like luchadora. Luchar is to fight in Spanish. Like there is a, you might have heard a word like lucha de tomate. Tomate is the word for tomato, and that is lucha de tomate is fight of tomatoes. That denotes the festival La Tomatina. So luchar is the word. Luchadora. Luchadora means the fighter, or you can say combatiente. Or luchadora. 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 So you can say Angelina Jolie es una crisscross mujer. Mujer. Either you can say combatante. Combatante means combatant, like your combat. From combat, you can remember this word, combatante. Or es una mujer luchadora. You can use that. The Night King, I told you before that I'm going to use Night King as my character. So here he is. So the Night King is ugly and dangerous. We know. El Rey. Rey. Caballero. 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 For is we are going to write S. For ugly we'll write feo. And is E. E. For dangerous we'll write peligroso. 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 So here we have another sentence. The El Rey Caballero es feo y peligroso. The Night King is ugly and dangerous, but the mother of dragon is a good queen. For the queen we have the word reina, like from the reign, reina, reign of terror. Pero la madre, M-A-D-R-E, madre, di dragón, dragón es una. So we are going to apply the rule of crisscross here. Es una reina. First we'll write queen. Reina. Reina. For good we'll write buena. Buena. So here we have the sentence. Pero la madre de dragón es una reina buena. Here we have the red wine is very tasty. So again, red wine. Here we have the word for wine is vino. Vino. And the word for tasty is delicioso. The word vino is the masculine. El vino. Vino. For red is rojo. Es muy. For tasty we are going to write delicious. Delicioso. 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 So that's it for today. In the next class we are going to start.